Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a virgin Moscow Mule Hot Tea. This is something that's perfect to drink if you're feeling a little bit under the weather or if it's just cold and you want something to warm you up. So if you're ready, let's get started. All right, so our first step is going to be adding in our Moscow Mule craft puree. You just need one pump. One pump gives you quite a bit of flavor. Now we're just going to add in our tea bag. I prefer a black tea for this. I think it really melds the flavors together well. And let's top it off with some hot water here. And I'm going to garnish with a fresh lime. Adds a nice little extra flavor if you squeeze that in there, and some ginger. You're all set. Enjoy your hot tea. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you do give this a try yourself, be sure to let us know how you like it in the comments below. Also, if you want to keep up to date with all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and also be sure to sign up for our newsletter. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.